G'day guys, Sean here from Outback Equipment. Today we're going to be checking out the brand new range of Slim Sport racks from Frontrunner. Now we are one of the first people in Australia to be installing this. We've got a range of accessories to go with it and we're going to be chucking it on our 2020 Ford Ranger. Alright guys, so it's a few weeks later after we've installed the Frontrunner Slim Sport roof rack to the Ford Ranger. We're down here on Bribie Island and I just want to run you through a couple of the features of this specific roof rack that I find really useful. An absolute game changer is actually just the size and how slim the rack sits to the roof of the vehicle. It significantly reduces the wind noise compared to the rack that I had on there previously, and it also allows me, when I don't have the canopy on, to have a lot more clearance, and I can fit into garages that are at a slightly lower clearance level. So a couple of the accessories that I've put on the Frontrunner Slim Sport roof rack to make my life a bit easier. The first one is the Frontrunner recovery board mounts. So these mount up to the rack just like any of the other Frontrunner accessories, using the bolts in the channels, and it allows me to mount my set of Max Tracks up high on the roof, out of the way. So I've also got a 120 watt solar panel hard mounted up on the roof. For that, I just went down to Bunnings. I bought some aluminium angle from Bunnings in black, drilled a couple of holes in it and mounted up using the channels as well. We've got the Frontrunner Slimline light bar, 42-inch light bar up on the roof there too. Surprisingly, really bright. Before that, I had another similar size light bar. It was actually a bit bigger, but this one actually pumps out a lot more light than that old one does. Last few things I've got up there to make my life easier. I've got the Frontrunner quick release brackets for an awning. I actually bolt those onto a shower awning. And when I'm not using the vehicle for camping, or if I'm driving around town, or even if I just want to save on some wind noise and some weight, I can easily just release it in like 5 seconds. It's been amazing so far. And the last thing I've got on there, just for ease of use, is one of the Frontrunner bottle openers. They make a couple of different variations to suit all of their roof racks, and it's just a great, cheap little add-on to make any roof rack just that little bit extra. So guys, I absolutely love this Frontrunner Slim Sport roof rack. I reckon it's an absolute game changer. Super quiet, super lightweight, super tough. Retains that full roof weight rating of 80 kilos on the Ranger, so I know that I'm not gonna get into any trouble if I load it up. So if you want to pick one of these up every day of the week, outbackequipment.com.au. If you've got any comments or questions about these roof racks, make sure you drop a comment down below. We'll get back to you. Leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.